Hello everyone, we are third year student of Computer Science and Technology of Technic Polytechnic Institute. We have created a project about women's safety device and we are group B. Now we will present our major project. So my name is Adhiraj Das and today women's safety has become a major concern about today's Indian society women face harassment, stalking and emergency situations. During such incidents, victims often face tough difficulties and time shortage to get past from the situation. So although in market we have various safety devices that are mostly available with internet issues or require several users actions, so maybe not practically useful for women to use in that kind of situation. So to address the problem, we have created an IoT-based women safety device that provide fast, simple, and a reliable emergency response mechanism to pass the situation, and also they will help in various situations to get over. So our main objective of our project is to provide a one-touch emergency activation, or to instant share the victim's live location, or to automate the contact, or to automate the emergency situation to the nearby contacts, and also to secure the emergency data to the cloud, and to enable a real-time monitoring through a web dashboard and also a application. We have created this project. Our system integrates like IoT device, GSP tracking and Bluetooth communication, mobile application and cloud technology to enhance women's safety, to provide immediate insight that we needed. So next I would like to hand over the presentation to my next presenter. Thank you.
I am Surjit Sarkar and I will be explaining the proposed solution and technologies used in our project. To address the safety measures discussed earlier, we developed an IoT-based women safety system. The idea behind our project is simple. Whenever the user feels unsafe, she can activate the emergency trigger. Once activated, the system immediately initiates the safety protocol, helping the user's location and send alerts to the trusted contacts without delay. To implement this solution, we used a combination of hardware and software technologies. The main hardware component is the ESP32 microcontroller, which acts as the brain of the system, integrating IoT, Bluetooth, GPS, mobile application and cloud computing. Our project provides a smart, affordable and practical solution for enhancing women's safety. Now I would like to invite the next presenter.
My name is Puspendu Sangha. So here I will explain the cloud architecture and web dashboard portion. So other explanation I will give by using my screen. Now let us look at the cloud services used in our project. Our cloud architecture is built using Amazon S3, AWS Lambda and API Gateway, and we use other services like EventBridge, CloudWatch and Cloudflare services. Amazon S3 is used to store location data, logs, photos and audios for future purpose. AWS Lambda processes the data automatically without requiring a dedicated server, and API Gateway provides a secure communication between the dashboard and the cloud services. And EventBridge is used for the scheduled tasks such as cleaning old logs. CloudWatch monitors the system and stores logs, while Cloudflare improves the security and the performance for the web dashboard. So all these services together provide reliable cloud platform for our women safety system. Now let us understand the workflow of the cloud system. When an emergency alert is generated, the mobile application collects user GPS location and upload it to the Amazon S3. This automatically triggers a Lambda function that processes the data and store location logs. EventBridge periodically run cleanup operation to remove the old logs. When an user opens the web dashboard, the request passes through the Cloudflare proxy server and then go to the API gateway. Here Lambda function then retrieve the latest location and location history from the S3 and display them in the dashboard in the real time. This enables secure storage and automatic processing and real-time location monitoring during the emergencies.
My name is Siti Shashma, and in our project there are some hardware components: ESP32 tape module, one push button, some jumper wires and USB cable. Our system consists of three main modules. First, the IoT device, the mobile application, and third, the cloud platform. First, ESP32 acts as a central collector and receives input from the emergency trigger. Then it communicates with the mobile application through Bluetooth. Second, mobile application. It processes the emergency request, obtaining the user's current GPS location and send the necessary alert information. And finally, the data is stored and managed through cloud service, allowing emergency information to be accessed and monitoring whatever required. This connection between hardware, software, and cloud technology ensures a smooth and efficient flow of information during emergencies. Now, I would like to invite the next presenter to explain the working principle of our project.
I am Orko Govindo, and now I'm going to describe or demonstrate how the project actually works. So here is the actual setup. As you can see, here is the main IoT device that we primarily develop, and here is the controllable Android phone. And now I'm going to say or demonstrate you the situation in which the system actually going to work.
This is a personal device, and then I push the button.
As you can see, here are the tracking logs that are being generated, and as you can see, the SMS from the respective device has been sent. SMS has been received in the opponent device or the parent device. So that device is going to be used to monitor the tracking link. As you can see, there are two types of links. One is the tracking link, which is the live link, and another is the static link or the Google Maps link. Now we are going to primarily focus on the live dynamic link. So we are going to click it. Mobile or the tracking website which we developed, it contains the live location of the device, which is basically the ESP32 and the IoT device which we are tracking currently. The location of that is currently being shown here, and the respective coordinates of the system, which is the latitude, longitude, accuracy of how accurate the location it is. So we can get an idea of the range the system is currently operating on.
While pressing the gate direction, we can actually get the direction. And this is the web version of our website. You can just check it out. It is a full web controlled. We have a separate website for this. Here we can also can connect the device or the victim very easily.
The most important features of the dynamic website or the live website which we developed is that the website contains live location updating methodologies. Now this is Android app is basically the pure Java framework which is being developed using. So the main feature here is the live location tracking, which means every X seconds, for example 5 seconds, for example 3 seconds, after this set of interval of seconds, every time a new tracking link or the new coordinates are being generated, which are being sent to the system, which is being further developed in the which is being further shown in the website which as the current location. So that is all the system which we are using. So that is all of the workings of all the major project implementation which we have done. So thank you, and now I will forward the screen or the control over to the next person.
Hello everyone, my name is Sohampal. Now I am going to tell you what is the result, future scope and conclusions of our group project. So after implementing and testing our project, we found that the system works successfully and performs well for all the intended functions. It can detect emergency situations, track the user's location and send alerts and store data efficiently. Now the key advantages of our system are its simplicity, low cost and fast response time. Because of these features, it is highly practical and suitable for real world use. To conclude, our women safety system demonstrates how IoT technology can be used to provide a smart and effective solution for personal safety. We believe that such systems can contribute towards creating a safer environment, ensuring faster assistance during emergencies. Thank you for your attention. We hope you find our project informative.